Before I got my implants, I was always afraid to eat something in case I would lose a partial.
Before I was miserable, believe me. And I had holes all over my mouth. I think once I've had the teeth, I'm able to smile now. I feel more comfortable around people.
Dr. Jeffrey Jones has been placing dental implants for more than 2 decades.
A dental implant is a tiny piece of titanium that goes underneath the jawbone and secures whatever type of prosthetic component you want to put over the tooth. They're wonderful. I have one in my own mouth. I had a tooth that had a cracked root and I had to have it taken out, and they're the best single tooth restoration. They're much better than a bridge. You don't have to shave down a tooth on either side. And I'm all about conserving natural tooth structure if we can.
Unlike most dentists, Dr. Jeffrey Jones is a one-stop shop when it comes to dental implants. He performs every aspect of the implant process right in his office. Dr. Jones says implants are also a great solution for securing loose or ill-fitting dentures.
If you have a denture and you've been wearing a denture for a while and it's been moving around in your mouth, most likely you're a good candidate. They're great because you can actually put some little attachments on the underside of the dentures and snap a denture in place, and it changes the way people can smile, eat, and chew and live their lives.
Dr. Jones also places mini dental implants. For those people who meet the criteria, mini dental implants can save both time and money.
A mini dental implant is simply a smaller implant that if somebody has been told they can't have implants because they don't have enough bone, in most cases you can still put a mini implant in. And the advantage of the mini implant is, at least if somebody has a lower denture, you can put the implants in without having to do surgery. You actually put the implants just right through the tissue without having to make any incisions, very little or no bleeding. And within an hour, hour and a half, you can put in the implants and secure your denture to some attachments on the mini implants and walk out feeling much more secure about your smile and your ability to eat.
My friends especially, I would want them to go somewhere where I know has been proven and I know it's a good place to go. I'll definitely recommend Dr. Jones.
I like to look good and I like to smile, and that's what he did for me. He gave me the perfect smile.